Science is an organized way of gathering and analyzing evidence about the natural world. Science deals only with the natural world. It never concerns in any way about supernatural phenomena of any kind. Scientists collect and organize information in an orderly way, looking for patterns and connections among events. Scientists propose explanations that are based on evidence, not belief. Then they test those explanations with more evidence. It is important to know that science is a process, not a thing. It is always changing. Scientific methodology involves observing and asking questions, making inferences and forming hypotheses, conducting controlled experiments, collecting and analyzing data, and drawing conclusions. When we ask for a control experiment, we are talking about an experiment in which only one variable, the independent variable, is changed. The result will be the dependent variable. Let us remember that scientific methodology starts with observations and questions. These may be inspired by scientific attitudes like curiosity, skepticism, open-mindedness, and creativity, practical problems, and new technology. Communication and sharing of ideas are vital for modern society. Publishing peer-reviewed articles in scientific journals allows researchers to share ideas and to test and evaluate each other's work. A theory is a well-tested explanation that unifies a broad range of observations and hypotheses that enables scientists to make accurate predictions about new situations. Science can tell us how technology and scientific knowledge can be applied, but not whether it should be applied in particular ways. Watch out for bias. The way that science is applied in society can be affected by it. A bias is a particular preference or point of view that is personal rather than scientific. Biology is the study of life. But what is life? We don't know. Just kidding. We classify living things by these characteristics. Living things are made of basic units called cells. They are based on a universal genetic code called DNA. They obtain and use materials and energy with metabolism. They grow and develop. They reproduce. They respond to their environment. They maintain a stable internal environment. And they change over time. The study of biology revolves around several interlocking big ideas. 1. The cellular basis of life. 2. Information and heredity. 3. Matter and energy. 4. Growth, development, and reproduction. 5. Homeostasis. 6. Evolution. 7. Structure and function. 8. Unity and diversity of life. 9. Interdependence in nature. And 10. Science as a way of knowing. Since researchers need to replicate one another's experiments, and because many experiments involve gathering quantitative data, scientists need a common system of measurement. This system is called the metric system. Last but not least, you should know the safety is first. Scientists working in a laboratory or in the field are trained to use safe procedures when carrying out investigations. So, whenever you work in your biology laboratory or any lab, you must follow safe practices as well. The single most important safety rule is to always follow your teacher's instructions.